Hello, this is Jake, and today I'm doing an unboxing of a kind of ode to my RC car kit. But before I jump into unboxing it and everything, I just want to say thank you all. I've hit 800 subscribers. That's great, you know, that's brilliant, fantastic, so thank you for that. Let's head to 1,000 now, and that'd be even better. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today of RC car kit. I've been looking out for nearly 3 months, and one popped up on eBay. Good price, couldn't say no really. So I ended up bidding on it and winning, being a winning bidder. And that is of course the Porsche 911 GT3. Lovely, lovely RC car. I can't remember seeing these in shops years ago when I wasn't into RC models, but I'm really looking forward to building this one. So before I get building it, I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. It's been very quiet on the channel, so I'm very sorry for that. I've been very busy with my car channel and everything, my cars. I'm buying a dream car in a couple of weeks time, selling near Bath and everything, so I've been very busy with all that. But I need to bring more model unboxings to you and model building, and that's what I'm doing today. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are, the Porsche 911 GT3 Cup VIP car. A TL01 chassis, first time I've ever bought one of these. Shaft driven 4-wheel drive, which is interesting. Before I purchased this, I thought it was just a rear wheel drive. This is one where I have an update on very soon, but this is my Porsche GT1 on a Zen SP1 chassis. I want to do a video on this one because this is a very nice RC car that I picked up for a bargain price on eBay again. But we're going to jump into doing an unboxing of this one. So this is your standard Tamiya kit. You don't get your controller, you know, transmitter or nothing. You do get ESC, which is great. And I haven't seen one like this before because this is an old kit. It's a 1/10 car. I will say as well, excuse the mess on the bench. Let's move the lid, there we go. The bench is quite messy at the moment because of being busy and everything, projects, moving stuff, all of that. We have our spoiler pieces here. I believe that's spoiler pieces, I might be wrong. There you go. Let's move that back. Tyres, racing slicks, ideal. I need to buy some spare wheels as well. Our body shell, which, Dave, if you're watching this, be prepared, you're doing this one. Porsche, yeah, perfect. My favourite model as well, the 996 model. Let's move that one out of the way. We have our rims there, and covers to go on the rims. There you go, so you can see them. Very similar to the wheels for the Porsche 911 I've done quite a while back, the Martini one, in case you missed it, that one there. I've got an RC car video coming, so don't worry. ESC, like I said, I haven't seen one like this before because it's an older one, but that should be fine. Gears and everything. We have plastic parts in here, chassis parts, everything like that, everything you need. And then we have our actual chassis rails, which again, I've not seen anything like this before. That's why I was interested in this chassis when I was looking at this car a couple of months ago now. But yeah, it looks very different, that does, compared to what I'm used to with a TT01 and TT02. And then more pieces, so we have our wheel hubs and everything there, servo savers, the basic stuff really. I will try and get some op-ups for these chassis. I will tell you now, all these cars look stunning when they're done, but none of them are shelf queens. I do use all my RC cars, even the SP1 Zen chassis GT1 Porsche that I showed you just a second. I'm very careful with them. I won't do stuff silly and smash them up because they are too good for that, but I will look after them. So we have our decal sheet, looks very interesting. complicated. I'm sure Mike will help me tackle that in another how to apply decals to your RC cars. We have talked about doing another video, so that'd be good to have a look at that one. And then we have our metal pieces, so what looks like the shaft there, which is interesting. Again, not seen anything like that. Got a standard Tamiya motor. Bearings, plastic bearings will all be replaced with metal ones before I start this kit. Unfortunately I haven't got any, but I will get some. Shocks in there. Are the shocks plastic? I couldn't remember on this one. Well, yeah, I think they are. So upgrade the shocks straight away. That's a must. In fact, I'll probably give Antics a ring in a minute, because I believe they had some in there not so long ago. A motor, some metal pieces, you know, all your standard Tamiya bits you'd like to see. What's this one? I'm not too sure what that's for. I think that's your... Oh, that's the extension, just to extend the wires. Okay, so fair enough, yeah, need that. Aerial piece, don't really need aerials today, in these days. And our manual, of course, which, yeah, look at that. Lovely. You cannot beat the Porsche 911. Just gorgeous as a racing car. Yeah, very nice. So, shaft driven. The chassis, like I said, I've not seen a chassis like this. I mean, I'm new to RC cars, so this is probably an everyday chassis for a lot of you out there. Interested to see the motor like that. It reminds me of the MO3 chassis I got back there. But yeah, look at that. So battery goes in the middle like the MO3. But yeah, seems alright. I will, like I said, see what op-ups I can get for it, but I'm not going to go stupid with op-ups on them. There's the shaft. Okay, yeah. So I'll get some oil-filled shocks. I always do that with my RC cars now. I am out to do it with the Zen one, because the Zen one doesn't really need it, to be honest. But there we go, that's all our parts, so let's chuck them back in here. Oh, I will keep the manual out, because like I said, I want to call Antics and I'll order some metal bearings as well. Guess I'm on the phone to him. Let's get our shell. Silly as I am, I'm going to put the decals in first. There we go. Sorted, and there's our lovely body shell. So, or to be cut out, of course, and you got the wide body kit on this car as well, the sport bump, the GT3 bumpers, I should say. It'd be quite nice to just have the shell like this, and I might even try getting a second shell and just have a standard road car version, because it's a Porsche. Put them back in there, and I think that was it. Apart from the spoiler, I haven't put the aerial back in, because I'm not going to use that. You don't really need that no more. So there we go. That is the Tamiya Porsche 911 GT3. Okay, so there we go. That's an unboxing of this Porsche. Really looking forward to building this one. Like I said, #1 car, which is great. I do love the old Porsche GT cars like this. They are beautiful, beautifully designed. Based on a 996, which again, my favourite 911. Yellow lights as well, so I'm hoping that's in the decal kit, because that's proper, you know, classic Le Mans style kind of lights you see. But no, looks like a nice kit. My first TL01 chassis 4-wheel drive. And yeah, so can't wait to get started with this one. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you soon with more unboxings.